Okay guys, so today we're gonna talk about ClawdBot. It's an amazing tool because it's basically cloud code plus a bunch of other stuff. And you can use it to write emails, write code, automate basically everything. And today we're gonna set it up in such a way that it's going to be available 24/7 during the night, while you're eating, while you're outside, and you're gonna be able to call it directly from your phone. So let's get into it. So first of all, we need to launch a new instance. I'll call it ClawdBot server. Then we're going to select the operating system, which is going to be Ubuntu. And then we select the instance type, T2 medium. We create a new keeper. Now, while I shoot the video, I'm gonna allow SSH traffic from anywhere, but you're gonna have to set up a security group as soon as possible. We're going to allocate 50 gigabytes of memory, and then we launch the instance. Okay, so we have our EC2 instance. Now I'll run the SSH command with the keeper and the IP of our instance. I'll type yes, and we're in. Now I'll update the system packages. Then I install Node.js. Let's check if we really have Node and npm on the system. Now I'll install some more dependencies that we need, and the Chromium browser too, because maybe I'll set up some automations involving the browser. Let's add pm. And now we can finally install ClawdBot. Now we can run a ClawdBot onboard. I understand this is powerful, yes. For now we'll select Quick Start. Then I scroll down and select OpenCode Zen. Then I paste my API key and I press enter. I select the model. Today we're gonna go with GPT 5.2. The channel is going to be Telegram. Then we open a chat with botfather and we say new bot. We're gonna call it GigaCloudBot. Now I copy the token and I paste it on the onboarding panel. We're going to configure a couple of skills, and they're going to be Cloud Hub and Nano Banana Pro. I'm not going to set up the API keys right now. I'll skip the hooks at the moment. And now it's installing the gateway. Hatching TUI, and now it's set up. We can go ahead and open the bot on Telegram. Now we're going to send a message, and it's not going to work because first we need to accept the request. So I'm gonna exit, and we use the command ClawdBot pairing list Telegram. I'll write all the commands in the description. So there is a request, and we need to run ClawdBot pairing approve Telegram and then the code. Then I hit enter and it's approved. So now we can call it again. Now it's asking my name and how I want to call it. My name is Ricardo and your name is Bob. Okay, so we are all set up. I just installed GH and now I log in with GitHub. HTTPS. We're going to authenticate with credentials, authentication token. And to get the GitHub authentication token, we need to go to settings. Then we scroll down to developer settings and finally personal access token. Generate a new token. We verify by email. We'll call it ClawdBot token. We set the expiration. And then we need to add all the permissions. And we can generate the token. Now we copy the token and we paste it on ClawdBot. Alright, so I prepared a prompt to test the connection with GitHub. Let's run it. It should create a landing page, but let's see. Okay, so it looks like it worked. Let's check the repositories. And here we can find the hypercode landing page. Now I'll clone the repository. Then I'm going to check the code because you never know. Okay, so we can go ahead and run npm install. And now npm run dev. Let's see what it built for us. Wow, that's really good. And it was super fast. 5 years ago, this is what a software house could do in 2 weeks. Now we can do it with a Telegram message. I hope you liked the video, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel.